Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just a quick little project share and then packaging them up. It's Valentine's Day bag toppers. I was really getting stuck on what to make, how to make them. I have this die right here. It has like the heart-shaped handle from AliExpress. And then this one's actually a bag topper as well. It folds over and you can make it any size you want. These are from KLJUYP store from like last year or the year before. I just cut it off so it says with love and then take a chance. I wanted it to say take a chance with love, but when I flipped it, it didn't look right. So I couldn't do it that way. Some chipboard pieces. These are those Dollar Tree like little cupcakes. I just put a bow, a little piece of candy. And this is from that new collection, what is this? Lucky Us Pink Paisley. Actually, this might be from last year, or is it from this year? I don't even know what year it's from, but it has like a holographic silver, even though I was working with gold. And then I just did like little sequins clusters and some of the heart enamel dots. I did go ahead and stitch the whole thing around. There's that one. And then this one, this is a die from last year, which is from Andy's store on AliExpress. I did just cut it out one more time and then chop the handle off so that the handle would be a different color. I used some tulle. That heart, you can't really tell, I mean, I guess in person, but it has like little felt hearts on it. So cute, from AliExpress. A little shaker mix in there. And then I did the Be Mine. This is from KS Craft this year. It's new. This is a Sizzix like stitched heart die. And then a wonky heart that's also from AliExpress. Some paper folding and like a mint, because I did want to try to pull some of the colors out from the crepe paper. Oh my gosh, what's the name? To bring out some of the mints. My friend Nancy Jo gifted me this little bow. I just added some seed beads and made it like a little dangle right here. I think this one's way more flat than the other ones, so it's cute like this, and you would just, you know, pop this on your bag like so. So there's that one. And then this one, so it's the same shape as this one, and I was getting stuck, like, well, I don't want to decorate it exactly the same, you know, and so I went with a cluster in the middle, and I made these bows the other day. Fabric is from Amazon, some tulle from Dollar Tree, and then I added some of that rickrack fabric over some of the paper folding that Melissa does. She has a tutorial on how to fold the paper like that, because I did have to watch that tutorial like 10 times. I couldn't, my paper folding was not pretty. But I stitched that, and then I forgot to stitch the bag. I was stitching around the heart, but I just did little clusters of hearts. These are from KS Craft, these little hearts. Super cute, and then I added some pom-pom trim to hang from the bottom. So those are them. And then usually like what I would do is I would stick these on like a piece of paper, probably like two like this. I would stick them in a bag and then put a bag topper on. Trying to like change things up, you know, evolve a little bit, like, because sometimes I get in the rut of doing the same exact thing, and it, you know, it's just like habit, you know. So I wanted to stick it in something else, you know, just switch it up. It doesn't have to be a clear bag. So this is just like a little pouch from Daiso. Boat-shaped pouch. Says my heart throbs, the most amazing feeling. I am still going to stick them individually in bags because I do want to add some confetti. Messy fun confetti. And then this confetti, these are both from AliExpress. This one's more like a what's it called, vellum, like a printed vellum style, so not really like confetti with tissue paper. You know what, I need a bucket. Mix some of these with these. Okay, this isn't, these vellum are definitely more heavier. Smash it down, just so that these are in here like this. One baggie. I get my bags off of AliExpress, but I also get them off of Amazon. These are I think these are 5x7 that came in that mega pack for a really great deal. So I'm just using this size, even though it's not the most perfect fit. It still works, you know. There's that guy. Dash, it's like sprinkling spices. Kind of just push it down to get the air out. 1, 2, super cute, right? Seal this bad boy up. And it just makes it that much more fun, like shaker bits. You could do sequins. Usually I do sequins too, but I have all this confetti that I'm not using, hoarding. I don't know what's going on, but I need to start using it. Goal for 2021, even though I felt like that was the goal for 2020. So yeah, cute little bits. And then this guy. And I'm gonna add some, like a little charm thing. What are these called? These are from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. And look, it fits on there perfect. And I wanna add like a pom-pom. So these are from, where are these from? Dollar Tree? They were in that like pom-pom trio. I'm just brushing it down with scissors because I don't have a brush or anything nearby. So I think I'm gonna have to add like a little jump ring and put it on right here. I'll take this off so it doesn't hang too low. That's cute, right? And then I want to add something fun. This guy. These are using those, oh, this is cute. This was gifted. Oh, I forgot I made these. See, digging through my stash. Good thing. I think I'm just going to add these two. Leave these off. Yeah, okay. Using some jump rings. And make sure the jump ring you're using is big enough. Oh my gosh, I just felt something on my foot, like a critter or something, and it was ribbon that fell off my desk. Ooh, that scared me. Okay, so that is a fun, it's not new, like, in the crafty world, but I'm putting stuff in a bag, but to me it is, because I just tend to gravitate towards CeeLo bags and a bag topper. But this is cute, right? All right, so I'm gonna catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.